Hey everybody, what's going on? This week on One Tool a Week Guy, we're going to be adding some air fittings to our building a CO2 tank setup. So if you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. So if you love tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So let's get to it. Hey everybody, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another video of One Tool a Week Guy. If you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. So if you love tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yes, I know I did not post last week, but with that being said, we're going to post up 2 videos this week. That way we can make up for the video last week. So, of course, we're also almost at the 4,000 subscribers giveaway. So you know what that means. I'll be giving away a Veto Pro Tech pack. So in order to win, make sure you let me know what state you're in, what trade you're in, and also just be interactive with all my videos, not just one. So with that being said, let's get to it. This week we're going to be adding some fittings to our air hose, and also we're going to continue the building a CO2 tank setup, and also let me know what y'all think that why I'm building a CO2 tank setup. So with that being said, guys, we're going to be adding these babies right here. Let's go ahead and zoom in. And of course, these are going to be the fittings that we're going to go ahead and add. These are going to be the 1/4 inch air fittings, the Flexzilla Pro High Flow 7-inch piece set. So if you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week, and right now we're building a CO2 tank setup. So what are we going to be using these fittings for? Well, of course, we got to connect tools that we're going to be using with our CO2 tank. Now, I have a CO2 tank set up. At the end, I'll put everything together and let y'all know. So let's go ahead and open up these babies, and I'll let y'all know why I went ahead and bought these. So there you have it, guys. It's going to be a 7-piece set, of course. And these are going to be the Flexzilla adapters that is going to come. Now, of course, they are going to be 1/4 inch size. Now, some of the fittings that you're going to get, it's going to be 1/4 inch male adapter coupler right here, as you could tell. And of course, it is going to be Flexzilla color. Let's see if we could zoom in and it could adjust the focus. So, of course, it's going to be a male 1/4 inch, and it's going to be NPT. For all you that don't know, it's going to be National Pipe Threaded, and that's going to be the American base or the code. That way you keep everything Americanized. British is going to be different, and they're going to use a different unit. So of course it's going to be a male adapter, and this is going to be the coupler. We're going to have to swap out the one to our tank or the regulator, and I'll let you know in a little bit why. And then you're also going to get a female coupler adapter right here, and they're going to be quick connects. You're going to get 2 female adapter plugs, which are these right here, and HF. And of course, I'll let you know in a little bit what HF stands for. And then you're going to get 3 male adapter plugs. Now, the neat thing about this is that they are, let's see if we can zoom, they are going to be chrome. The nice thing about it is that it's going to come with its own Flexzilla green right here. Now, keep in mind, this is their signature color, which that way you don't get them confused. Now, another reason you don't want to get them confused, it's because they are actually going to be larger than a regular plug or coupler. So as you can tell right here, it looks like a regular diameter, but if I go ahead and pull out a different quick connect plug, which is this right here, you're going to be able to see the ID, which ID stands for inside diameter. Let's see if we could zoom in. And as you could tell, the Flexzilla's diameter inside is going to be much more larger, so it's going to allow more air to come out of your compressor, or as far as your CO2 tank or nitrogen tank, whatever you're going to be using it for, instead of just the regular couplers that they have right here. Now, if you do see, it's also going to have a larger OD, so they're not going to fit. That way you could see, this is the regular coupler that most compressors have. You go ahead and connect it, pop it out, but if you try to put the Flexzilla adapter, it's not gonna fit because it is too large. The OD is gonna be larger, so you're just gonna be able to use them with Flexzilla. Now, again, it's one of those things that you're probably gonna have to end up buying Flexzilla. I'm not too sure if another brand has different ODs on that, but Flexzilla is gonna be this OD and ID, which it is larger. Now, for all you that know in the trades, you know that you can, if you use a regular size, you're never going to get more than this flow going out. So if you switch it up to a larger diameter, you're going to have more flow coming out. And hence, you measure it up to what you need. So if you're if you need a lot more air or fill up things faster, then you're gonna go with a larger diameter. So that's why I went ahead and got the Flexzilla kit. Now the Flexzilla kit is going to set you back the 7-piece $24.83. They do sell a 14-inch piece set that's gonna set you back at $37.54. Or if you want to be a little fancier, they're gonna have a ball swivel in the plugs, which is gonna swivel about 16 degrees. That way you have more play in there. So that's gonna set you back, each one $8.32. So with that being said, guys, this is what we're going to be adding, and let's go ahead and put it to our CO2 tank. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and connect our hose with the Flexzilla quick connects. And of course, you already have Teflon on there, so all you got to do is just connect this one, and make sure you connect it to the right side, because one of them is going to be the swivel, and that swivel is going to go on the end that's going to get the tool. That way you're able to rotate it. And of course, the female adapter. There you're going to have it. You're going to have these two babies connected already. Now let's go ahead and move over to the regulator. Now keep in mind, the reason we're going to be replacing the regulator is because it's the regular couplers right here, or the plugs. And again, if you had a regular one, it would fit, but again, I have all Flexzilla, which is a larger diameter, OD and ID, so we're gonna have to swap it out, and we're just gonna replace this section right here. Keep in mind, you will need some Teflon, that way you could put it to the male adapters on the coupler, and I'm using 1/2-inch Teflon. Make sure everything's clean underneath it. That way you don't have any debris going towards the regulator. Also, guys, don't use pipe dope. That's just a manufacturer recommendation. And there you're going to have it, guys. You're going to have that quick connection added right there. That way you can push that in there. And you're going to have the swiveling on this side. And now your regulator is ready to go. So you go ahead and put it back to your CO2 tank. And there you're gonna have it. Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. You're gonna have your quick connection coupler ready. All you gotta do is just slam it in there, and it's gonna connect. And of course, you're gonna have a swivel on this side, and your hose is ready to go. So the next thing is, let me know what y'all think the next item's going to be that I'm gonna go ahead and pick up, and we'll go from there. So as always, guys, let me know what y'all think in the comments below. And of course, we're almost ready for that giveaway, 4,000 subscribers. If you're new to the channel, every 1,000 subscribers, I try to give away a Veto Pro Pack Tech Pack or something similar. So with that being said, guys, thank you all for the support, and thanks for watching. One tool a week, guys.